One word I would use to sum up the grit training is inspirational, beyond inspirational. I think the highlights of the session is the fact that you come along not really knowing what to expect, but are so pleasantly surprised that you are given this space, given the permission to just be yourself and be really open with the other people in the session and the coaches as well. It's fantastic. So I'm going to use the grit training, putting it into practice with our coaches, our student coaches at the University of Manchester. It's provided a fantastic framework. I don't have experience as a coach. I've been a mentor before, which is different. So it's really given me that great understanding of what coaching is, and that, you know, you just go for it. You're gonna probably make mistakes along the way, but you know, we're human, we do that, and we just, you know, correct ourselves and move on. So it's given us that kind of real permission to do that as part of the training. So I would recommend that every single colleague does this training, and it would be really, really useful for them to be able to interact with their own student cohorts and each other as well as staff members, as you know, and just using the grit training in life as well. I think for me, I came along thinking, okay, this is going to be like a training session for coaching for students, but I already can see where I can use this training across the board, not only in my working life but also my personal life as well. And so that's why I would suggest that everybody come and do this training.